Now, we are going to talk today about the one world, one government in the art forms like that of music, dance, poetry, what you call it as the prose, novels, cinema, all that thing. Now, the point is the different cultures have evolved different systems of traditions. For example, in India, there are different kinds of dance system like Bharatanatyam in South India, Kuchipudi in Andhra, and then you have Manipuri in Manipur, then you have Odissi in Bhubaneswar, all that particular thing. But the point is, there is something called Jugalbandi. All these dancers combine together and combine the art forms and do it. And cinema has integrated all these art forms. So we are evolving as a society across the world where there will be individual arts which will be promoted and heritage which will be protected, but also these will get merged in the common stream and new forms of dances will become very, very popular. For example, you can take the dance of Michael Jackson, you can take the songs of what you call it as Madonna and all those Justin Bieber and all those things across. So there will be a global billboard kind of thing where different languages songs will be a big hit. It will be like one will be in Latin, one will be in Turkish, one will be in English. Like that, there will be a different songs which will be there available for many people to enjoy. So the variety will increase, the cultural mergence will happen. It is like this, the Latino dance might combine with Bharatanatyam and a new form can evolve. The Russian ballet can evolve with that of Kuchipudi and a new dance form will evolve. Like that, there will be a new dance forms which will be coming. In the same way, the music also will evolve where we will be moving towards a global system of the emergence of many sounds and music and many different types of music which will be evolved, for each will have a place across. So this will be a major thing, and of course in sports it will be combination of man and women. Imagine a football team where it is both man and women playing. Imagine a cricket team where man and women are combining together. So all sports you will have the mixed gender things which will be coming across as a person. And also there will be movies which will be taken, which will be decimated in multiple languages, and also the struggles of Africa will be appreciated in Asia. The cultural differences of Asia will get appreciated in Africa. Like that, there will be filmmakers who will be both contemporary and global. But we are evolving in a stage where the global platform for music, dance, poetry, advertisement, fashion, technology is all evolving into a global scale. So this is a major shift which is going to happen. There will be there will be a lot of people who will be bringing these kind of art forms into both contemporary and in the world theatre. These days it is only the Western people who are very much dominating the entire market, but this will change. You will have a Grammy which is more global, all encompassing and all inclusive. You will have an Oscars which is more all encompassing, and all kinds of acceptance will be coming across. So you please understand that this kind of an opening up which will be happening. These days it will be like one or two movies are going for the Oscars, and the Oscar movies are not appreciated in India across as a person. But whereas this will evolve, there will be a lot of language translation will be there, which will be appreciated, will be there, and the formats of voting will be probably global. It will be like everybody will vote for the movie, and the viewer's best choice will become the movie of the year, the movie of the seasons, all that will be there. So please understand, we will evolve a new voting system and a new award system which will be coming across, where it will be like that. In the same way, Nobel Prize will all starts coming. It will only be not only for science and technology, maths, physics, chemistry, biology. It will be probably for astrology. It will be probably not only for economics but also for dance, poetries, like that. There will be a new all-encompassing Nobel Prize system which will be coming across, and parallelly there will also be a competition which will be coming in for the Nobel Prize system across. So we would be heading into a new global era of all these particular things which will be coming across. Now, as far as the war is concerned, war will take its ugly twists and turns. There will be technology war. The nations has to be prepared for a technology war which will get in all walks of life. You will have technology war. There will be hackers from different countries who will be hacking. Of course, today it is being blamed in Russia and Pakistan and about North Korea. No, this will also be done by America, Canada and different people. So there will be hacking war which will be happening across. It will be literally like a cyber war. The second most important thing is you will have the second thing, the biological war. Just like the pandemic, there will be many biological war which will be happening across, and which will bring in a lot of death into the humanity. The third thing is there will also be secret stealthy operation where few soldiers go and try to destroy everything across. So that will be a very major leap. The fourth thing is you will have what you call flying squads. There will be human beings who will be flying like an aeroplane and they will be bombing, and there will be human beings who will go under the sea and who will be destroying the enemy's fleet. You will have all kinds of technology advancement which will come, where a soldier will be equivalent to a robo, or robos will become the soldiers of the future, like that of the Skywalker or Star Wars across. So please understand, we would be coming into a new era of warfare itself, where drones, it will be like a video game where people will be flying and they will be hitting across. You saw the dome fights, which the Iron Dome by the Israel, like that. There will be a lot of manless, humanless contact warfare which will be very, very common, will be there. But the many nation will try to gather together and hit the rogue nation. Just like South Korea and North Korea, many nations will combine and try to hit South Korea. Many nations will try to combine and hit Russia. Like that, there will be a combination. Like there will be like a lot of people will combine together and they will try to hit. This is what is going to be the thing. So when the warfare breaks out, there is going to be a lot of integration and cooperation which will get carried away in the future across. So you can say war is a unity point. Of course, there are wounds in the world, just like North Korea, South Korea, just like the Serbia and Israel and Palestine. There are a lot of people across, but these are the areas of conflict and zones which will continue to bleed and leak humanity, and there will be a lot of death which will be coming across. So you please understand, there will be also drugs war will be there, that terrorism will become globalized, where the terrorists will interlink themselves and they will operate on a global scale, and there will also be the people who will be like terrorists, drug lords, prostitution and all that thing, a mafia of the world you can call it, which will get unfolded across. This will evolve faster than the other politics across. So we are coming to a new era of these kind of global terrorism, and where the impact will be felt across the globally in many kind of states across. So please understand, we would be heading into an area, all these things will persist and people would die about it. And of course you will have the technology which will be working behind it. All this we'll see in the next episode.